Hey everyone, my name is Siddharth and I'm a medical intern here in India. Currently, I've given my USMLE Step 1 exam and you're watching the Hematology series of the USMLE Step 1 style questions. And yeah, that's it. So, you should really be happy when you see such a question. It's a small question and it's directly straight on the point. And yeah, so just rely on your knowledge. Okay, so an elderly patient is diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Tumor cells are shown to stain strongly to CD20 marker. And which of the following biological agents should be added to the chemotherapy? Okay, so CD20 marker is specific for rituximab. I think you should already know that. If you don't know that, then I guess now you know it after watching this video. And so we'll just go through the other options and see which one is what. Okay, so rituximab is CD20 specific. Infliximab is an IgG TNF alpha antibody. Okay, IL-2 is an interleukin, so none of that. Imatinib is a BCR-ABL fusion inhibitor, which is a treatment for CML. Okay, and abscesimab is a antibody against the platelet receptor of GP2B3A. Okay, so yeah, that's it, and it will block aggregation of platelets. Okay, yeah, that's it. This was an easy one and very direct question. Very few questions in the USMLE Step 1 are like these, and this will definitely save a lot of time if you just know that the CD20 marker is specific for rituximab. That's all.